tukadimot apo iti pagtukaran tayo apo iti bulan iti Abril into numay nga tawon ijay barangay hall palubos ti apo. So ngunot kakabsat danggayan tayo apo. Dagito agasawa habang adada apo itoy ingana apo agawid da. Te kunak awan apo awan tanod iti ingkam ipabalon no digot iti napalaos ingkam pinangikarkararag babaen iti pinangidaulon to na antibioloy nga ingkam ikarkararag nga napya kayo nga dubanan tumanen kay kan nakay tilatan kang kanayon Deus apo na marso iti piayo kag sapol iti apo kwarta. Ay kanagmaya tenante. Nagmaya nangagya iti apo askay. Ngayon Japan ibaga apo iti kalikagom ko. Baba na po iti pinangidolo po na skate chairman ay sukromi pahinag. Ayun na ta. Magkataman. Ano ka na? May ka na tayo ilubos-lubusin tan. Ganun sayang niya rin be. At da po iti impasa da kanya apo nga solicitation letter da. Pero hindi kami agkid daw tanod iti dakkel aya. Ta lubos-lubos ben at ibagami. Actually apo plano mi apo iti mapan apo iti kadigiti opisyales iti gobyerno lokal tayo kakabsat. Ngam gaputad da kami toy nain ayon ang kadin apo iti income kidawen. Tangami na po babaan na po iti inak pinang subaybay kadigi apo ang sketcherman plano damot apo iti maikan iti banda or makakreate da apo iti banda iti barangay na po. Iso nga kasapulan da apo iti different musical instrument apo da usaranda. Kit pagpakuna ko na apong SK 2,500 kunton. Taadan to inay nayunan nyo. Aya. 2,500 kunton. Aya. Taadan to nayunan nyo. Kit inteto dumanon apo. Ijay kapitulyo idanon. Deta kalikagom nyo apong SK. Idaduluan na apo ay sukromi. Kit na ita apong kagawad na. So nga rod, habang inaagtuke nga po, ano orasan, ore ka mabayag dapay. Alas 8:30 pa lang, ado pa yung ganan sa apo iti alas 11. Ado pa apo iti intay mabuya, nga pinagsala apo, iti Sumba, Badok, nga idadulwan ni Manang Berta and Hair Company. So nga rod, ma'am, 10 o'clock, di ka pala na yun ng alas 11. Ore ka, 3 times kayong umayto yung favorite na kayo na apo balikbayan. So, anyway po, kasama iti barangay, kalikawam ko apo, nga agragragsak tayo, ket danggayan tayo apo, dagiti apo nga balikbayan, ket agari kuma, iti Ornos, Linak, kental na itang rabii, mabuhay, barangay na po. Ne kalikagom na kanapo ni apo to ni ibagbaga alata agsarita kanapo ni apo Poros Kagawad B1.
Okay, ayan. Agyaman kami, Apo Kapitan. At syempre, magpasalamat din tayo sa Rondal family sa pag-invite nila sa atin. Adapi agsao Apo, ayan. Baka agsao ni Sir Rooney. Ay, sige po. Asan na yung mic natin? Dito yung Apo. Okay.
Mangipayak man abot ti may isang request. Digito yung agasawa. May kami lang dito, apo, may kami magipangan. Ay, joke lang. Apo. Ay, pay ko man ito yung may isang request ako. Oh, thinking about all the younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. Maybe down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe what it happened. Love is all that I need, and I'm falling there in your heart. It didn't know how to see what happened. Oh, watching your life, you found someone who will tell you all around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can change what you mean to me. Oh, this life that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause I love you like the way. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe what happened. Love is all that I need, and I'm finding there in your heart. It didn't know how to see what it happened. Yeah, I've been waiting for so long for something to rhyme, for love to come along. Now our dreams are coming true, through the good times and the bad. Yeah, I was standing there by you. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe what it happened. And love is all that I need, and I'm finding there in your heart. It didn't know how to see what it happened. Whoa. You're all that I want. You're all that I need. Whoa.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Isa pa. Ah, ano nag... Sabay, sabay, sabay. check. Night and night's closing, closing, and I feel so lonely. Touching you, frozen down my skin. Everything you still on me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing to sleep. I am too far, I don't wait to think over you. I can't believe you're gone. You were the first to be the last. Thank you. Wherever you go, I Last song talaga, last song.
Yes, and hello to Ate Debralyn Wasay.
Happy watching.
Awan, yung kaisis gan. Nang ato unay. Last song talaga, last song. Isagot ko man po di kiti agasawa inatang arabi. May dawat man po sala kayo man. Sir and ma'am. Alan? Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean through me.
Pwede po tayong sumayaw ko.
Search your heart, search your soul, and when you find me there, you search no more. Don't tell me it's never trying for. You can't tell me it's never dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Look into my heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am, take my life. I will give it all. I will sacrifice. Do tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it. There's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no other could give my love. There's nowhere unless you're there all the time, all the way. You can tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't help it. There's nothing I want more. Yeah, I won't fight for you. I'd lie for you. Walk the wild for you. Yeah, I'll die for you. You know it's true. Everything I do, oh yeah, do it for you. Okay, salamat.
Okay, ayan, maraming salamat po. May kakanta pa ba? Okay, sige. Sir Menard daw. Sige, bago natin, para tuloy-tuloy na tayo mamaya. Menard, Lika na, lika na.
Thank you. Mapagmahal. Hello. Brad. Tama. Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Whenever I'm weary from the battles that rage in my head, you make sense of madness when my sanity hangs by a thread. I lost my way, but still you seem to understand now and forever. I will be your man. All right. Sometimes I just hold you to cause help me to see. I'm holding up for joy that heaven has given to me. I'll try to show you each in every way I can, now and forever. I will be your man. Now I can rest my worries and always be sure that I won't be alone anymore. If I only knows you were there all this time, all this time. All right. All right. Until the day the ocean doesn't touch the sand, now and forever, I will be your
your man. All right.
Check.
Isa pa daw. Sir, isa pa daw.
Side B, side B. Side B pa.
Gudotan to kayo. May kantigili ko duking, no? May kantigili ko gudotan. Wala. Oh, David. Born for you. 1 month. Energy, start na, ma'am. Hindi mo yan. So many billion people running around the planet. What is the change in heaven that you find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though that's an explanation, only one thing it could be, and that I was born for you. It was written in the star. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never out. He says it the flowers of the universe conspire to make you mine until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of this seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing will seem so wrong here. If they only realize that I was born for you, is that you were born for me, and in this wrong world, is this really meant to be? What we have to work, you'll never understand. From every day away until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Alright.
Alright. Alright. Alright na, alright. Ayan. Maraming salamat po, Sir Menard. And this time may request si Sir Ronnie Anan, Bokel. Ayan, special request, Bokel daw. Para kay Sir Ronnie. Okay, andyan. All my life. All my life. Okay, sige. I've been waiting for... Ayan, magsipalakpakan tayo para medyo gising naman ng konti. Okay. Tapos magsayawan tayo ng todo. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay, eto na yung...
Oh my
isa-isahin
life.
natin yung mga request. Okay, and pwede bang sayawin nyo naman tong kantang to para hindi lang manood. At saka
Yes.
ma-exercise na din yung mga paa natin. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba?
All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life.
Oh, Mama
Now
Ruby and Sir Ronnie,
forever
ayan.
till the
Sayaw-sayaw naman
day
dyan.
I die, you and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. And so I say, I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I'd lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I choose to lay it on the line. Put that past away. Put that past away. Put that past away.
Isang singin once again to Sir Ronnie and Mama Ruby.
All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, between each hour of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I'd lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. And I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I choose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. I want this all my life. this all my life. I want this all my life. I want this all my life. I've waited this all my life.
All my life. At papunta na tayo dyan sa... Hindi, may request kasi si Sir Ronnie na ano, bukel-bukel daw.
Bukel-bukel.
Oo. O, eto na. Eto na, Sir
Small
Ronnie,
circle.
ha? O, dapat marami. Dapat takpan mo yung mga bukel-bukel dito.
Bukel! Bukel! No, puraw jay bukel. Tambo, tambo. No, nalabaga jay bukel. Bukbugaya. No, nangisit jay bukel. Takit talne. Ngeno kuri bebe jay bukel.
Tanungin natin si Sir Ronnie. Punta ka nga.
Delikado na
Asan
ito
si
yan.
Sir Ronnie? Sir,
Malay mo magbigay din ng bukel.
anano kano ko ribet-bet jay bukel, sir? Anano kano ko ribet-bet jay bukel?
Pag di nasagot, magbibigay.
Multa. May multa ka, sir.
May multa ka pa. Sir.
English ka ba, sir? English?
Tao. Ay, sige. Tao siya. Try mong mag-English. Baka sakaling naintindihan ni sir.
Nimnong ako ribet-bet jay bukel.
Ay, Jojo, Ken.
English ko yun?
Try mo lang.
Anang amin no kwan? Ikaw bukel jay bukel.
Ano talaga?
Anano kano ko ribet-bet jay bukel?
If the circle is wrinkle.
Wrinkle?
Ano yun?
What do you call? What do you call?
Ilocals?
Sir, among deta.
Ilocanum lantan.
Bukel ka no tinwa.
Ay, kami pinaiganan namin.
Ngeno kuri bet-bet jay bukel. Ay, bukel, bukel. Nung natangken jay bukel.
I knew that.
Nung nasilen jay bukel.
Kamatis
Nung nakulog jay bukel.
ibong gaita. Oh, di kita bukuele.
Ngeno nakuti jay bukel.
Hoy.
Ay,
Game doon ako
Ano,
din.
sir?
nung nakuti.
Move on na tayo sa okay.
Parang ano
Nagkuti
anong
jay
tawag
bukel
yan
kung
sa
nanag-
pag-games na ganyan yung pag...
Stop dance.
Stop dance.
Stop dance. Ngeno nakuti jay bukel. Ay,
Siko gaita.
bukel, bukel. O, intay magkakaya na duma-duma naman na eh. No, puraw nga mani.
Americana naita.
Hey there. Napuray.
No, nalabaga nga mani.
Ay, Chinese naita.
Nalagwa.
Hindi ko alam your honor. Choy lang.
No, nangisit amani.
Ay, negra daita. Na sunburn.
Ngimno ang babasa nga mani. Mani, mani, gaita.
Mani.
No, namorseng amani. Mani, mani, gaita.
Manim lang. Manim lang.
No, nasileng amani. Mani, mani, gaita.
Sige, manim amin.
No, at katay amani.
Money, manim lata. Just give me my money.
Ngimno may sa amani. Money! Money!
Yummy!
Buok! Buok tayo, buok. Rigor! 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 No, puraw nga buok.
Ubanday ka. Sige kuya, isayaw mo pa. Sige.
Noon na sileng nga buok.
Nakaspaday ka!
So sana all. Sana all.
Noon na unat nga buok.
Ay karebantay ka!
Ngem no kulot tay buok.
Ay! Sir.
Sir, ano nung kulot jay buok?
Alam ni Sir Ronnie yan. Sigurado.
Ha?
Oo, wag na, kasi lutang si Sir.
Lasing.
Tama na si Sir. Oo,
Oh,
may
ito
tama
na.
na. Ha?
Ano?
Ano, Sir?
Sigog.
Paano naging kulot yung si
Lutang talaga ni Kuya. Ngem no kulot nga buok. Ormot tay ta.
Ano?
Buok! Buok! Yes! Dete nga dapat amoy nyo. Last nga dapat. Ngem no may sadyay bukel.
Taasan mo, taasan mo.
Taas pa, inay.
Oo.
Ngem no. Ay, iba kasi ba yung boses ko? Ngem no may sadyay bukel. Ay.
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 DY.
Amitaw dayta. Deta tayo, bukelen eh. Deta.
Deta!
Ginawang pop yung
Baka pa.
Sir, adot bukel.
Baka pa ring-ring
Ano nga
lang.
bukal deta?
Thank you so much.
Ay!
Nabuhayan tuloy ako.
Beta, sige.
Kano tayo nga ta makakita, duwa nga bukal. Ay, Charis.
Dua nga bukal.
Wow.
May request si Sir na luha with version. Starbucks or S-Box?
S-box.
Oh, S-Box ba
Ano
to?
yan?
Starbucks?
Starbucks,
Starbucks.
jukebox. Or beatbox? Luha with version. $5?
$5.
Oy, baka $5.
Ah,
Oo,
okay.
$5 kasi
$5
nagbigay sila $5 yung binigay ni Sir. Para kasing letter S to.
Luha version daw.
Starbucks
with
tuloy.
version.
With version.
Anong version to? Ano
gagawin natin?
Ano bang
gusto
twist
niyong
yung
version?
angry? Angry version.
Angry?
Angry version.
Galit? Yung galit?
Lonely version.
Happy.
Happy version. Ikaw.
Ayusin
Baliw
mo.
version. O kanya-kanyang version na lang. Luha.
Ayan, bigyan natin ng...
Medley na lang. Medley na lang. Huwag na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin.
Report ko ngayon, nag-iisa, naglalakbay sa gitna
Dumadamog si Kuya. Sara. Gawa. May multa yan. Box. 5 bucks.
Nasasaktan ako, oh baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka.
Nagselos na.
Naninibog ko ako, oh baby, kung may kasama kang iba. Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Halik sa puso, ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Bakit di ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Halik sa puso, ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Halik sa puso, ang halik mo, halik sa puso, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? Alright, maraming salamat po sa compliments na binigay. Thank you so much. Thank you! And this time, I'd like to give you another requested song, an Ilocano song. Kusilapan ka. Yan,
Yan.
bagay sa'yo yan. Nakita ko yung mata mo.
Talagang normal na sa kanya yan.
siya sa ano,
Yes.
relate match.
And this song is dedicated to...
Sir,
Darang.
to Darwin, hello. Kamusta
Darwin.
sa dati?
Sir, oh. Sir, may multa ka, ha?
Ayan, malaki to. Sa kusilapan. Alright, ayan, grabe.
Yes, at may dumating ulit na request.
Ano, ayan. Sandali, hintayin natin yung ibibigay ni Sir. Marami pa. Oh. Yan. Dapat alasin natin to para, Diyos ko, punuin niya. Leader of the band.
Ayan, once again, thank you so much kay Sir.
Kay-
Sir Ronnie Rondal.
Ito, oh, upuan.
Milagros.
Ay, Sir Ronnie de la Cruz. Ayan.
De la Cruz pala.
Ay, bale, de la Cruz and Rondal family po ito. Ayan. Thank you so much for inviting us.
May kakanta po. Sino yung kakanta? Medyo...
Ayun yung mga taga-Batak daw. Sila, ano,
Anong barangay?
Batak. Baay Batak.
Baay.
Baay.
Okay, si Sir Tony De La Cruz kakanta ka daw, request by Sir
Sir
Ronnie.
Ronnie de la Cruz.
Oh. Sige, halika na. Diyos ko, may blessing na naghihintay sa'yo dyan. Baka si GL kaya niyang kantahin. Diba? Okay, i-google niyo yung ano. Baka alam niya ano ni Okay, tignan natin kung may... Asan si Tony? O sige, mamaya. I-try natin, sabay-sabay na lang tayong kakanta ng leader of the band kasi hindi rin namin alam yung ano eh. Kanta ka. Si ano, si Jello, ano?
Ayan na po si Sir, ayan na po si Sir Tony.
Ah, siya yung kang... Hindi yung leader of the band po, kakantahin nyo?
Sometimes when we touch, ang kakantahin ni Sir Tony.
Okay. Ito muna kasi request nila yung leader of the band.
Oo.
O, sige.
Bale, balik. Sir? Or, Sir, dito ka muna. Kakantahin lang namin yung, yung request. Sayaw ko muna, sir.
Lonely child alone and wild, his cabinet maker's size. Sentiments of different words, but his eyes was known to know.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin. Oh.
Gonna do it long, a solitary way. And you give to me the gift I know I never can repay. While you're mad at music, and I ain't seen love fade. Try to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't be. And his love through desert land, a tundering velvet hands. Gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. Leader of the rainy tide, and my eyes were growing old. And his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My life is built a poor attempt to imitate a man. I'm just a living legacy
to the leader of the band. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living after I'm chosen, I come to know so well. Thank you for the music and your stories of the road. Thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. And thank you for the kindness and the times when you get tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The little of Japan is stuck and its eyes are growing old, but its blood runs through my instrument and its songs in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate a man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band.
Alright, ayan. Trinay namin. At dahil dyan. At dahil dyan.
At dahil sa kanta,
dyan.
leader of the band! At dahil dyan,
Meron tayo!
Meron tayong
Vitor!
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sir Ronnie
Yan.
De La Cruz.
Itatak mo, itatak mo. Itatak, itatak mo. Itatak mo, itatak mo. Itatak mo. Itatak.
Thank you, Sir Ronnie! Thank you so much! Salamat sa Itaktak mo!
Sige, sige.
Split! Split ko yan!
Ang galing.
Itatak mo!
Uy, ang galing naman.
Walang hanggang
Palakpakan naman natin. Lumabas na yung... Okay.
Dapat tumaktak hanggang ano? Oo, sabi ni Sir,
Yes.
kung namimihasa naman kayo sa amin.
At meron pa tayong dumating na request.
I don't wanna talk about it. Ay,
About
naku.
what? Yeah, I
Ba't
don't
ayaw
want.
mo, inay?
You don't?
Ba't ayaw mo?
Okay. Lubos-lubusin na natin dahil malapit na tayong magtapos. At
Yes.
siyempre,
oras.
Rondal de la Cruz family, maraming salamat. At eto, I don't wanna talk about it.
Yes. We don't want to talk about
We
it.
don't talk anymore. May kakanta.
May kakanta
Ay,
na I don't wanna talk about it.
At kakanta din si Sir Tony.
Sir Tony, halika na.
Sir Tony.
Eto, sir, alam mo to?
Ayan. After this song.
Halika na dito, sir.
I can tell by your eyes forever. I don't wanna talk about it. I know my heart. If I stay here and listen longer, if I stay, won't you listen
Listen.
to my heart? Oh, my heart. He must stand on the line with his shadow hide the corner of my heart, growing tears bright tonight. Hear the stars and the sky don't mean nothing to you and I, Mira. Talk about it, how you broke my heart. It might stay just a little bit longer. If I still want to listen, my heart. Oh, my heart.
Trumpet. Jello.
Talk about it, how you broke my heart.
Galit na si Kuya.
It must stay just a little bit longer. If I still want to listen to my heart. Oh, my heart. My
Alright.
Yun, maraming
At may
salamat.
pahabol. May pahabol. Ano tong paha... Ayan. At dahil dyan. At dahil dyan.
Ano na?
Thank you so much!
Thank you, sir.
Ayan, at meron pang pahabol na request. At may,
Yes.
may isa pa.
Ayan. Yung
All your life, sir. Oh. Kasi malapit na po kaming mag-end, sir.
Sige, kakanta pa daw ng
Sige,
isa si Sir. Sige, sige.
Okay.
sabi kasi ni Sir kanina, baka uwi yung mga tao pag kumanta. Pero kumanta na. Hindi pa naman sila umuwi.
Ano po yung request nila na gimme, gimme? Yung isang from
Just give me
ABBA?
money!
Or gimme, 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 gimme,
Ah, gimme, 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 gimme.
Gimme, gimme!
Yun ba, sir?
Sige, next ano na
Oh
lang
my
po.
God. Next gig.
Oo. Sa next gig na lang po kasi wala pa sa line-up. Ayan. For the second time around, just sing a song.
What song?
All your life. All his life.
Hello.
It's all about his life.
Kasratro dati.
Yeah.
changing, working over, and so I see. I'll be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sunny shine started on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to live on the line. Would it pass away?